Om Swastiastu. Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Balinese fried chili with shrimp paste, or we call it sambal seret tabio menggoreng. So let's start. For this recipe, I'm going to use 100 grams of bird's eye chili, or we call it tabio Bali, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of shrimp paste, and 120 ml of coconut oil. This sambal we normally use on the top of the soup if you prepare more spicier, and mix with the lawar, and also we can eat with rice. So let's make it. The first thing I'm going to do is cut the chili into small pieces. So now let's heat up the oil. Put into medium heat. While waiting the oil heated up, I'm going to mix the salt with the shrimp paste. It's very important here you are not mix the chili with the shrimp paste straight away. So the first thing we're going to fry the chili, and after that we take the chili out and add the shrimp paste and salt. The oil is ready. Let's fry the chili. We fried the chili until just soft. Now the chili is ready. Leave as much oil as you can. Return back to the heat, and we're going to add the shrimp paste and stir fry for the 20 to 30 seconds. Now it's ready. So let's plate it. So you put the shrimp paste on the bottom. And put the chili on the top of the shrimp paste. Here we are, Balinese fried chili with shrimp paste. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes, and see you next time. Matur suksema. Bye bye.